and hit, eventually you should leave left with letters that. Okay, let me just finish this one. Hit. I was thinking about the alphabet Terminator in the next game, but let's do one at a time. So we do this: A, B, C, no hit. D. E, F, G, okay, we don't even have to show this actually quickly. H, I, J, K, L. Okay, that's a hit. That removes. This, for young kids, very good because you basically learning alphabets, okay? That is how you sort of keep track of A, B, C, D. And sometimes the younger kids need an adult to help a little bit, okay? Particularly for, say, 3, 4-year-old kids, or even 2-year-old, try to teach them alphabet. Now, once that's L, you'll continue. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, you don't have any, right? So, you don't have any, this stack remains here.
Okay.
You go A, B,
Let's put it here.
C,
Put it right
D. Oh, that's a hit. So that.
So you don't get this
No.
pile? Okay.
No, that should continue on. Let E, F,
You should move it back over side.
G, H, I, J, K. While
While could be K.
can be a K because that's any letters. Okay. At this point, the rule is you keep the while. Okay. The reason is you make the game more interesting. Continue on. You need the while. Eventually, the chances of getting hit is harder and harder. What would say was the while supposed to be what?
K.
K. I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
You want to stay in the
U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again, this is a no hit.
I think you should flip with the other hand.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, good. That's
Put the cards in this hand and flip with this hand. Because you
I am a right-handed. Q, R, S, Q, R, S, T, U, V. All right. V. W, X, Y, Z. Okay, no hit. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, that's a hit. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh my goodness. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Oh, all right. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F. No hit. Okay, now that means we continue, take this deck back. Okay, in fact, we should do this, do this, do this, do this,
Well, you
do
don't have
this,
much time.
yeah, and do this. Now you continue on the same until you exhaust all the cards. That's a game we called hit alphabet. We just played the game called hit alphabet. Now we're going to demonstrate another alphabet game for young kids to play with the scramble cards. It's called Alphabet Terminator. Okay? Fundamentally is to recognize the sequence of alphabets and use the scramble cards to reinforce the learning of alphabet sequence. The idea is the following. If I open a card, okay, another card, when this letter Y is higher than C, that's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that sequence, then this Y is removed. You continue to do this. P is removed. N is removed. U is removed. So when your first letter is C as a low card, most cards will be removed until, of course, you will have either B. Okay, then that's not removed. Okay, so stay there. Now S is removed. Now the whole idea is you will remove more cards than keep the cards. For younger kids to play this, they sort of gradually understand the sequence of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to X, Y, Z. So you will keep on doing this until you have, now A still left. Obviously by this first game, with the first letter C, you will end up with all the letters from C and below. That's A, B, C. Okay? And remember, we also have 4 wild cards. The wild cards here can be any letter. Okay? So that is important. Later on, I'll explain how do you continue to do this. So we do this quickly. Okay? Wild card is kept. Okay? E is above. Now it's A. Literally, you can remove almost any letter except A and the wild card itself. T removed. I removed. M removed. R removed. N removed. C removed. G removed. T. I can do this very fast because I know since every letter is above A, we can take that away. A has to be kept here. I mean, in a way, this hand is lucky. The first letter is C. Of course, when you shuffle those cards, you never know what letter it come up. S, O, Q, A, D, A, I, R. Oops, sorry, R is removed. S, F, O, D, K, H, N, W, E, R, D, A. I'm doing a little faster because we want to go to the end so we know how to continue this game. G, C, R, E, S, S, A. As you play with the younger kids at home or young kids play by themselves, they don't have to rush like this, particularly when a parent is playing with the kid. You should have patience to go through this. Okay? Now I, W, I, T, F, D, B, E, E, U, N, E, L, H, 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 O, I, O, O, E, V, A, E, P, N, T, E A S I T C H U. Now, these are cards removed, and these are not. In this case, you should continue with this deck and continue with the process. You should shuffle as, you know, if you didn't start with C, you probably will end up with half deck. Or if you start with a letter that towards the end, like S, T, W, and you will have quite a full deck. It depends on how the deck is the first letter is opened. Now you can say from this is B, to remove letters above B, there's only one C in this deck. Literally, you can just quickly check, and C will be removed, and so on. Eventually, you will left with all A's and the vowels, and the wild cards. Okay. A variation of this game is to differentiate the consonants and the vowels. Okay. That means when you start this alphabet, you would say, okay, the consonants are removed, vowels kept. So that way, the first few rounds, you will take away all the consonants and left with vowels. And then you play without vowels with A, E, I, O, U. Again, through the same process, you remove the higher letter, O, U, O, I, E, A. Eventually, you're left with all A's in your hand. So it's a very, very simple game for sort of adults to appreciate this. But for little kids, when they start learning alphabets, if you have time, you play with them and patiently to recognize letters, and you tell them the sequence. And if they have questions that they don't know for sure, you reinforce the idea. These are the consonants, these are the vowels, what sequence you're removing the cards. So the idea of putting one card at a time, recognizing a picture, mentally thinking about the sequence of alphabets, and then take away the consonants, keep the vowels until you have left with all the vowels plus whatever the first letter, okay? And then you continue that process. Eventually, you're left with A, E, I, O, U, okay? And with A, E, I, O, U, you continue until you finish with A's. Now, this is a drilling process that would help young kids to recognize alphabets and learn about alphabets. And probably you know there are other scramble games we call Scramble Word as alphabet game, which mix a higher level now with war game. You start spelling words, you know, making words. So today I think we'll end at this point. We probably don't have time enough to demonstrate another game, so we shall continue next time with the demonstration, and we always welcome people to join this game show and come to the studio. Thank you for watching this game. Scramble Game Show is a weekly show. It's played through the Cablevision Public Channel, and we bring this game to you, hopefully to bring this game to every family and to make every school to be aware of this game. And this game helps children to learn alphabets and to learn vocabulary, to learn spelling, to do math. And all of this learning is doing this without really knowing it. And that's the whole idea. And we appreciate your time, and we'll see you next week.